on the printer. Step 2. Ensure that the paper is properly loaded in the paper tray. Step 3. Open the document or file you want to print on computer or other device. Step 4. Select the print option from the application or program menu you are using. Step 5. Select the printer you want to use if there are multiple options. Step 6. Set printing preferences such as the number of copies, paper type, or print size if needed. Step 7. Click Print to start the printing process. And Step 8. Wait for the printers to finish printing. Step 9. Once finished, take the print document from the print output tray. And Step 10. Turn off the printer when finished.